Hi everyone, this is Dias Graphics. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn up the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a video. And let's go straight to business. So today I'm going to show you how to make braid hairs detailing. So how to detail the hair, specifically how to detail a braid hair. So all you have to do is create, after painting, fill in the paint tool, then you create a new layer for your sketch, highlights, for the hair detailing. So make sure it's on a new layer, then select your pencil, your hard pencil tool, then you reduce the opacity, then you reduce the size. You can pause the video to see this. You can pause the you can move the video to where I've shown the size and the opacity I'm using for this specific tutorial. So all you need to do is just reduce the opacity, reduce the size, and then you sketch. Just do exactly what I'm doing here. So if you think your sketch is going out of place, you can use your soft cleaner to clean up some places in order to make your sketch, your detailing neat. So all you have to do is just follow accordingly how I'm doing it here. So you sketch one side, sketch the other, sketch one side, sketch the other. So it's going to give you a very nice detailing of the braids. So when you do the other side, then you do the other side, it's gonna give you a very nice detail. So this is what you continue doing for there. Make sure you are not going out of place, you're not going out of line, because you have to study the reference picture, how the line of the braids, how the braids are moving across the head and all those stuffs. You would have to study the how the braids are. So you can pause and check the settings of my brush and everything. So this, you just keep on doing what I'm doing here, keep on doing what I'm doing. Yeah, thank God sketchbook can be twisted anyhow you want it. You can twist it how you want it. It will be more easy for you to do hair detailing. But assuming it's Adobe Draw, you won't be able to twist it as how I'm twisting it now. You can twist it, you can flip it, you can rotate your canvas anyhow you want it. So this is all we're going to do for this particular tutorial. So you just continue doing exactly what I'm doing here, just continue following exactly what I'm doing. So I'll be dropping another video. It should be on I'll drop a video on doing the lip and the eye, probably the eye and the lip. I think those are the next video I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to do another additional hair tutorial for male and also for female. So just subscribe, turn up the notification bell, just get ready. I'm sorry I've not been active lately, but I'll try my best to see if I can be dropping videos this time around. So I'll try my best to see if I can drop consistently. So just keep on doing exactly what I'm doing. Then if you think the detailing is going out of place, you can readjust or clean up the mistakes. Just clean up the mistakes with your soft cleaner and everything will be dope. You can comment down below on any tutorial you want me to do, like any tutorial you're having, any aspect of sketchbook that you're having difficulty, you can comment down below. I'll help you. Then for my new subscribers, please, I'll be dropping video this time around. I'll be dropping so many tutorial videos, so you can help me. Click on the subscribe button, then relax. I'm going to be giving you back to back. It's a promise. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting me thus far. God bless you.